My name is Mr. Commodore 64, and I hate Mother's Day. Look at me in my oldness. I'm so old, my F keys are over here. Screw you, Windows 7. I'll take you out. I'll take you out with my wacky 8-hole ports in my big card slot. I'm pretty sure John made this video because he didn't know what else he wanted to make a video of. Yes, look at me in my model number, in my FCC ID, in my wacky vents to keep me cool on a hot summer day. Yes, in my ports, lots of ports. My channel 3 and 4 port, because it can only be on 2 channels. So forget you, Windows 3.1. My name is Mr. Commodore 60 Rainbow 4, and I hate Mother's Day. CBSPimp.com for all your updates. Subscribe to this YouTube channel.